Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync Trello with your Google Calendar. So first you want to go to Trello, and over here at the top right, you will see this icon that says Power Ups. So just click on it, then click on Add Power Ups. Then at the search bar, you want to search for Calendar. Then you want to go ahead and click on the Calendar Power Up, then click on Add. Then you just want to go ahead and exit that. Now you will see a calendar icon up here. So just click on it. And then over here at the settings, click on it. Then click on Enable Sync. Now you want to go ahead and copy this link that it provided. Now you want to go back to Google Calendar. And over here at the left sidebar where it says Other Calendars, just click on the plus icon. Click on From URL. Now just paste the link that you copied. Then click on Add Calendar. Now you just want to go back, and your Trello calendar will now appear here in your left sidebar, and it will automatically sync. So that's it. Thanks for watching.